Hi, I'm Moshmi and I'm a chef. Confused? Well, I've got the recipe for success and I'm going to share it with you. But first, let's get to know the ingredients. Ready? Set? Let's go!
Giving effective feedback.
Giving effective feedback can seem difficult to many of us. Maybe because you believe that feedback is negative and unhelpful, worry that the other person will not like you, believe that the other person cannot handle the feedback, have had experiences in which the receiver did not change or was hostile to feedback, feel the feedback isn't worth the risk. But giving constructive feedback can be a rather simple process. Let's see how. There are 3 important phases to delivering difficult feedback, and often managers do well with the first 2 but miss the third. The first phase is the positive frame. If you know you have some difficult feedback to deliver, you begin the conversation with a positive frame and let your employees know what they're doing well, where they're being effective, and which talents you appreciate. Let's see a scenario from our virtual office.
Greg, you did a great job of restating the issues in a neutral manner, particularly since that meeting was so contentious.
Thank you. I was really nervous and it surely wasn't easy. It was a bit like herding cats.
Haha, you made it seem easy. You also did a good job of helping the group focus on the issues at hand. Great work.
Well, I appreciate the feedback, especially since I wasn't sure how everyone would react.
The second phase is the delivery of feedback. The difficult message must be delivered with respect, but very directly and in detail. Be very specific about the types of behaviors that are problematic, rather than making it very personal and scathing. So be respectful and descriptive in order to be more effective. Let's return to the virtual office to see another scenario.
Hi, Greg. Just wanted to run something quickly by you. Next time, would you please be sure to give the writer detailed feedback on the first draft so that major changes are identified as early as possible? If you wait until the final draft, it means the writer wastes his time and ours developing the wrong material.
Well, I appreciate the feedback. I apologize and assure you it won't happen again.
Now the third phase is one that is often omitted, and it is what we call normalization, or simply put, making things normal again. It involves re-establishing a comfortable relationship where the employee can come to you with any concern or issue and feel that he or she can share with you in a non-evaluative environment. So whether it is at the end of a feedback session or when you're walking past the employee's cubicle, make sure to finish with a normalizing response. Let's see an example of this from our virtual office.
Good morning, Greg. So how was your son's soccer game? What was the result? Did the young Cubs win?
Yes, they won. Thanks for asking. He was awarded the Best Player trophy. I am so proud of him.
That is great news. Do congratulate the boy on my behalf.
When dealing with quiet, shy, or uncommunicative people, one needs to slow down the feedback process. Start by speaking slowly and calmly. Train yourself to take long pauses. Most importantly, ask open-ended questions, questions that require a response. For example, ask, "What was your rationale for telling the customer we couldn't help him?" Or, How exactly did you prepare for the presentation? Not only do these type of questions require responses other than yes or no, but they show that you want to know more about the situation from the recipient's point of view. Asking these questions demonstrates that you're not just imposing your version of the problem, but are open to other interpretations as well. Let's summarize what we've learned so far. Offer difficult feedback in 3 steps. First, positive frame. Articulate what the employee is doing well. Second, delivery of feedback. Provide specific input on problematic behaviors. Third, normalization. Reconnect with the employee on a personal level to normalize the relationship. Ask open-ended questions when dealing with uncommunicative people. These tips should make giving feedback a less daunting task for you.
Great! See how simple that was? Now you're one step closer to the goal. Stay tuned for some more awesome sessions. I'll see you soon.